Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Peru, local and long-distance movers near me. A move of over 50 miles from your current location is a long-distance move, and 3 Movers is equipped to conduct and execute long-distance moves. We give our clients access to the best moving services at pocket-friendly prices. We have a qualified workforce and equipment to handle your relocation. Our moving trucks are specially made to carry items over long distances. Our movers know how to sort and load your items into the trucks carefully, and our drivers are cautious. Our insurance also covers risks that may happen during the move. Local moves are also moves that cover a distance of fewer than 50 miles. Residents of Peru find it challenging to get 3 Movers to organize urgent moves. 3 Movers provides fast and exceptional local moves. Our local moves are also satisfactory, and our moving rates are very affordable. We work with your timeline and specifications. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Peru moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.